Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, I'm doing brakes on my 17 CRV, but these are the return springs off of the brake pads, and these guys right here, and they pop off. So every time I go to put them in, they just go flying off. So I'm going to try a little experiment here. I've tried different pads and I haven't had the same problem with every type of pad. So depending on what kind you get, you might not have this issue, but if you do, and these are actually from CarQuest, these are the premium pads from CarQuest. Anyway, and if you do have this problem, I think I might have figured out a solution. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some Crazy Glue. This is the Gorilla brand super glue. And what I'm going to try to do, without getting any on my hands, is put some over here, right on these clips. And hopefully, they don't go flying off on me anymore. So now I'm going to let these dry, and then we'll try this again and see if this works, because this is a huge pain in the butt. All right, it took a while for these to set. I had to take them inside where it was warmer so that the glue would set. But anyway, they're set now, and now they're not coming off. So the inboard pad has a squealer at the bottom. Remember, it goes like this. All right, so we're going to put that in. And these can be tricky. No matter what you do, it can always be tricky. Usually you just kind of rotate them in. There we go. And they're super springy. Like, that's why they're so difficult to put in. Okay, so I got this one. Let's get this guy in here. So I put it on an angle, rotate it in. See how nice they fit. This is the nice part. If you get like from CarQuest, the pads are more expensive, but they fit. Whereas if you get pads from like some other companies, they don't always fit well. So let's see. That's the best way to get my hands on this here. Oh, damn you. Damn you, you fell out. There we go. Once you get one in, then the other one go in. There. Okay, there you go. Problem solved. All right, so there you go. That's the easy way to do it. Crazy Glue. All right, so if you're having a problem doing the brake pad return springs, that's a solution. Crazy Glue them to the pad, and they won't go anywhere on you. And they work so much easier. Thank goodness. I'm so glad I thought about that today. I'm sure I fought with these before, but yeah, these ones were impossible today, so I had to come up with a solution. So that's what I came up with. All right, anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.